Hello, fellow researchers. Dive in with us as we unveil the protocol for the FluoGreen small molecule reagent, DIV010F1. Crafted specifically for intracellular tracking of small molecules, DIVERSA stands out for different cell types and in vivo studies alike. Our reagent packs 2 vials and 2 pipette tips for 1 milliliter micropipette. Behold the first vial, our lipid container labeled DIV010F1. Now let's jump into preparation. We begin with the vial for reconstitution. Start by adding 20 microliters of ethanol to the vial, mixing with a gentle pipetting motion. Then introduce the drug. Use solvents from Table 1 to determine the volume. The choice of solvent and drug solubility guide the volume. Round it off by adjusting the mix volume to 100 microliters using ethanol. Grab the reagent's pipette tip and pour 900 microliters of ultra-pure water into the DIV vial. Need alternatives? Check Table 2 for different aqueous solutions. Keeping your pipette at 900 microliters, swiftly transfer the content from the first vial to the aqueous phase, mixing vigorously. Witness the transformation? That's our emulsion, formed spontaneously and all set. If you need to and your drug is stable, you can store it at 4 degrees Celsius up to 48 hours. For customized and optimized prototypes, you can contact us at info@diversatechnologies.com.